This is District Koraput, situated at Eastern Ghat mountain range. The district has an area of 8,807 square kilometers. According to the census figure of 2011, total population of the district was 13,79,647, out of which 83.61% live in rural areas. The economy of the district depends mainly on agriculture. Total arable land here is 2,96,000 hectares, while irrigation facility is available for 43% of land and the rest 57% land is depending on rain. Crops like paddy, ragi, maize, little millet, nizer, mustard and vegetables are cultivated here in the Kharif season, while in Rabi season paddy, sugarcane and vegetables are grown only in irrigated lands. Huge reserve of mineral ores are found in the district, as a result of which large number of industries have been established. On the other hand, agricultural land is being reduced due to construction of river dam projects during the journey of economic development. Weaker economic condition of the tribal people here with their lack of knowledge on farming is another cause of low level of agriculture productivity.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट आमे इडिलगिप सांगरे आमे जो काम आरंभ कलु एटा मुख्यतः लोकंकर न्यूट्रिशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी केमती मिलिबो ता पई आमे देखिलु। ए जो कार्यक्रम रे आमे देखिथिलु जे जो माने क्षुद्र आ नाममात्र चाषी आ जो माने माइग्रेट हुअंती से माने किमिति सेमानक जमी रे नुआ नुआ प्रणाली रे चाष करिवे आ द्वारा सेमानकर जिमती न्यूट्रिशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी हबो ता संगरे सेमानकर किछि इनकम भी बढ़ी पारिबो।
In this perspective, voluntary organization Pragati initiated a program in the area in 2018 to uplift the economic condition of the people as to address the problem of rural employment and food security. In the first phase, the Pragati staff went to the villages and tried to sensitize the villagers on the working of the program and its success.
प्रथमे गोटे कैंपेन कराला से बुझेलु तापरे जो मानर गोटे एकर कि 2 एकर कम जमी अच्छी प्रगति से अडप्ट कला तापरे गोटे बेनिफिशियरी लिस्ट करागला.
Steps were taken by Pragati on capacity building of beneficiaries after their identification. First, their capacity was developed by experts and the steps were taken for its utilization in the field. The Pragati staff imparted the farmers knowledge on applicable farming after their visit to the fields and observation of farming methods. Following this, planning for crops was prepared. A manual was prepared stating which crop was to be cultivated on what time, how the crops were to be maintained, what methods for soil fertility were to be practiced, how the harvesting was to be done, etc. and the farmers were thrown light on the same.
प्रकल्प आरंभ होला परे आमे प्रथमे हमर जो कर्मी माने थिले तांकर दक्षता वृद्धि करिथिलु तापरे चासी मानकर विभिन्न पर्याय रे दक्षता वृद्धि करा जायतिला जेमति कि समान को सघन प्रणाली रे चाष करिबा विषय रे तापरे प्रोड्यूसर ग्रुप केमति समाने परिचालना करिवे ए सब संपर्क रे तांको पर्याय क्रमे तालीम दिया जायतिला.
Training was imparted to the farmers on the practice of organic methods of farming. The farmers could learn the methods of preparing various kinds of manures and pesticides organically by using the locally available resources.
प्रगति लोकमानक सहित सदा सर्वदा रही जेमती कि आमर विभिन्न प्रकार पनीपरिया फसल हो मिलेट मिशन हो तो जैविक सार हो बा जैविक औषध हो प्रस्तुत करछि जहाँकि लोकमानकर संबल रे गोटे प्रकार उपयोग हो पारछि. बहुत पैसा देकरी से रासायनिक सार औषध किणुले एबे बर्तमान से माने जैविक उपाय जिनस से बिलर प्रयोग कर पारछंती जहाँकि आम प्रकृतिर संतुलन रक्षा कर पारछु.
At present, paddy and ragi are being cultivated in many areas in intensive farming method. Due to spacing between plants, they grow robust, receiving more air and sunlight, and the output also increases considerably. Taking this into consideration, it was decided to grow vegetables in intensive farming method on experimental basis. the farmers were made to participate in the half-acre model farming program. Benefits of the program have been reaped in many areas.
बर्तमान परिप्रेक्षी आम जो 2006 मसीह ये श्री प्रणाली धान आ मंडिया चाष सब कार्यक्रम आरंभ कलु तापर आम 2008 मसीह अलग पनीपर भी ये जो प्रयोगटा को आम देलु आ द्वारा कौन है पनीपर चाष भी अधिक अमल लोक मैंने पाइपारे.
There was no dearth of natural resources in these areas, but lack of their proper utilization. There were many streams flowing here, but the water could not be utilized. As for the utilization of water resource, the village communities were organized and sensitized on how it can be utilized in farming through construction of DBI. Then effort was made to harness the flowing water in the stream to reach the fields. Due to development of irrigation facility, cultivation of crops became easy.
जड़े आज्ञा थिला आसले आम गाँव को 4 लोक को डाकी मीटिंग बसलु कहले तुम गाँव में कौटी पानी सुविधा अच्छी सी जगार जावा डीबीआई कराहब से पानीटा तुम जमी रे आनी पहुँचाई देबू आम हाँ कलु गाँववासी समस्ते बाहरलु बाहरिकिना इटी देखावा आणलु ए झरणाटा बाहर जाई अलग पटे जाई नष्ट होइकी जाउथिला तापर सीटा आम टाँकी कराई पाइप पतिकिना गाँव को नहीं धान करवा लोक धान चाष करुछंती पनीपरिबा करवा लोक पनीपरिबा जहाँ किसी फसल होउची.
Duryodhan and Phulamati are two farmers of village Muluda under Nandapur block of Koraput district. They have started farming under the half-acre model farming program with the support of Pragati. Today, his orchard is filled with crops like maize, kandul, ginger and beans. He applies liquid pot manure on his crops with the help of the sprayer supported by Pragati.
आगे आम काली खुली जाइलु सर विशाखापटना राजमेंट्री बाट काली खुली जाइलु प्रगति में सार मन आसिकिना हमको गोटे दिन मीटिंग कले गाँव भितर मीटिंग करकिना हमको एमती सपोर्ट देला पनीपरिबा लगाइलु टोटल आम खुली जाऊ ना.
His wife Phulamati is no less efficient than him. She has constructed a compost pit in the backyard. She has also prepared pot manure herself. She applies it in her field with her husband and grows varieties of vegetables.
पानी असुविधा थिला आगरु केंती हम चाष करबो वर्षा बेले चाष होइतिला जेठ बेले नाही एबे खारा हेले भी चाष होची वर्षा हेले भी चाष होची हमको बहुत सुविधा हैला.
Introduction of solar system is another step of Pragati for development of irrigation. This step was taken to utilize properly the water sources existing in the vicinity. Ganeshwar is a farmer of Dengaguda village of Boriguma block. A solar pump set has been provided to him on the behalf of Pragati. Under the half-acre model farming program, he has cultivated parabola, chili and country beans.
आगर तो बहुत असुविधा थिला जमीटा खाली टांगरा पड़थिला तापरे प्रगति सार मन आसले कोरापुटरू ताके बुझाइले चाष विषय बुझाइले जे चाष ट्रेनिंग भी देले डाकी के कोरापुटरे ता बाद पानी सिस्टम किछि नथिला इठी सेटा पई सोलार सिस्टम गुड दैछंती सोलार रे बे पानी हलारु ए पटल मरच आउरी सिंबो जोटा करती.
Incentives were given to the farmers for carrying out intensive cultivation. The farmers were imparted training on drip irrigation so that they could utilize the water resource properly instead of wasting the same, and implementation was made on it. The farmers adapted this method. This is Mukund Muria of village Palkaguda. He is growing a variety of vegetables in intensive method of farming under this program half-acre model farm. He is cultivating varieties of vegetable by drip irrigation method. Mukund's wife and his son Tularam also assist him in the field regularly.
आम आगु ये डायरेक्ट तलर चाष करते आगु ए टेंडा पानी तापर तो ए प्रगति संस्था तरफ आसलू ये ड्रिप देलु आम उड़ा करलु उड़ा करलु ड्रिप रे आम फायदा अच्छे कहीं वर्षा हेले भी ड्रिप रे गच मरब ना उड़ा थी ना कि ऊपर तले थी ना ऊपर गचटा मरब ना সেটা আমি ଏବେ ଡ୍ରିପ୍ ଦେବାରୁ ଆମ ଡ୍ରିପ୍ରେ ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ପାଣି ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେବ ନାହିଁ ଅଳ୍ପ ଟିକେ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହେବ ପାଣି ଟିକେ ପାଣିରେ ବି ବେଶୀ ଚାଷ କରିହେବ।
For better output, he applies the vermicompost developed by him. In order to stop wastage of water, further the farmers were imparted education on mulching. Adopting this method, the farmers are able to obstruct wastage of water and save their harvest from the growth of weeds.
ଲଗାଇଲେ ଘାସ ହେବ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲିକିନା ଏଇ ଜୋରି ଦିଆହେଇଛି ଗଛ ଟିକେ ଓଦା ହେଇକିନା ଗଛ ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଥିବ ସେଟା ଆଗରେ ଆମେ କରିଲା ବେଳକୁ ନାହିଁ କି ଏବେ ପାଣି ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଏଠି ହେଉନାହିଁ ଟିକେ ସୁବିଧା ଅଛି।
Raghunath Gadwa is a farmer of village Gatarala. He was included in the half-acre model farm program. He is growing various kinds of vegetables in his half-acre of land. The growth of plantain in his orchard makes one of the illusion of the forest, and papaya trees stand in solidarity with his mundane life. His parabola plantation serves as a source of inspiration for other farmers. It seems he is committed not to leave a single square inch of his field barren. He has also grown beans in his orchard. He has been provided with a drip sand filter and solar-powered water pump on behalf of Pragati. He also applies the organic manure and biopest controllers prepared by himself with the help of the sprayer supported by Pragati. Raghunath's another specialty is that he has excavated a pond in his backyard in which he has carried out pisciculture. He plucks radish leaves from his orchard and feeds the fish.
ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ବାଇଗଣ ଟିକେ ଟମାଟୋ ଟିକେ ଆହୁରି 2-4 ରକମ କରୁଥିଲୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ତାଙ୍କର ଆଇଲା ଦିନଠୁ ସବୁ ମାର୍କେଟ ଭଲ ହେବ ବୋଲିକି କହିବାରୁ ଏବେ କୁନ୍ଦୁରୁ ମଣ୍ଡା ଟମାଟୋ ବାଇଗଣ କାଲରା କଦଳୀ ମରିଚ ପୋଟଳ କାଙ୍କଡ଼ ଏମିତିକିରି 5-7 ରକମ କରୁଛୁ ଆରି ସେ ଦିନଠୁ ବେପାର ବି ଭଲ ହେଲାଣି ଆଗକୁ କେମିତି ବୋଲେ ଠପଲି ଯାକ ଛୋଟିଆଟା ବଡ଼ଟା ଥିଲା ଡଲା ଏମିତି ଆମର ମା ପିପାରେ ଡଲା ଚାଙ୍ଗୁଡ଼ିରେ ବିକିବାର ଏବେ କାଟା ଫାଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଓଜନ କରି ବିକ୍ରି ହେଲାଣି ମାଛ ଚାଷ ବିଷୟରେ ବି ଆଜ୍ଞା କହିଲେ ପ୍ରଗତି ବାଲା।
Raghunath's wife Phula is also versatile like him in carrying on agricultural activity. She herself collects vegetables from the orchard, cooks them and serves dishes for all of them. In this way, they get nutrition besides strengthening their food security. They sell the surplus vegetables in the market, weighing with the help of a balance provided by Pragati.
ଆମେ ଆଗକୁ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ କରୁଥିଲୁ ସାର୍ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ମା ମନାସ କରି ବୁଝାଇ ତ ଆମେ ଏତିକି ଚାଷ କରୁଛୁ ସୋଲାର ଦେଇଛି ବିହନ ପାତଲ ଦେଇଛି ତେବେ ଆମେ ଏବେ ଜବର ଚାଷ କରୁଛୁ ଖାଇବାଟା ଖାଉଛୁ ବଜାର ନେଇ ବିକୁଛୁ କେତେ ବାଡ଼ିରେ ଆସି ନେଇଛି ବ୍ୟବହାର ଲୋକ ସବୁ ଆସିକରି ବାଡ଼ିରେ କିଣି ନେବେ।
They have constructed a cemented house with their income generated from the orchard. Promotion of integrated agricultural practice of pisciculture, paddy cultivation, duck farming and vegetable under the program is another initiative undertaken by Pragati.
ପ୍ରଗତି ବାବୁ ମାନେ ଆସିକିନା ଆମକୁ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ନେଇକିନା ଏ ମାଛ ଜାଁଳା ଦେଲେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଲେ ଆମେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିକିନା ମାଛ ଚାଷ କରୁଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବନ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ାରେ ବି କଦଳୀ ଗଛ ଅମୃତଭଣ୍ଡା ମୁନଗା ଲଗାଇକିନା ଏଭଳି ଆମେ ସେ ବନ୍ଧୁଡ଼ାରେ ଚାଷ କରି ସେ ମାଛ ଚାଷକୁ ଆମେ ଜାଗା ରାଖା କରୁଛୁ। ବତକ ଅଁସା ବୋଲି କହିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ ଅଁସା କିଣି ଆଣିକିନା ସେ ବନ୍ଧୁଡ଼ାରେ ଗରଗୁଟି କରିକିନା ସେ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ କରୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଗଲା ବର୍ଷ ବି ପାଖାପାଖି ଗୋଟେ 50 କି 60-80 ପାଇଥିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Mutual understanding is essential for farming on cooperative basis. Producers groups have been formed for this reason. Farmers are able to share their experience and thoughts through them. As a result, the local inhabitants could share their knowledge and the produce could be sold at remunerative price.
ଆମର ଦାନ ସିରି ଦାନ ନେବେ ବୋଲ ସେ ମନ ଫିନ ନେଲେ ନାହିଁ କି କିଏ ଫିନେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି आमर पानी परिबा फिन केने वाला नहीं आमी जाची कर सिटी 300 का जाल देबो আছে 200 का जाल देबो 500 का जाल फिन दिए दे वैसे दे आगे असुविधा होतला एबे सुविधा तानी आके चलबो আছে हमके एबे सिरी दान लगाइलगुन हमके सुविधा हैला हम सिरी ए चारा लगाइबो छगुन पानी परिबा फिन हमके सुविधा काइला
In case of paddy cultivation, the farmers were promoted to adapt the SRI method with a view to increase their yield. Now they are able to increase their output by adapting this method.
आमी प्रगति रे बिड़ी करी आमी जीव मन सिखाइबार लग करी ये तास करबार आमी सिखलु और ये दाढ़ी लगैलु आगे आमी ना जान रहलु देसी तास करते रहलु आम देसी तास करबा ताने हमर देसी बेन 50 केजी बुनते रहलु फसल सा नाइते रहला एबे ई तोमर देला बेन 2 केजी के गोटा खरा रहलु.
On behalf of Pragati, its staff are visiting the paddy fields from time to time and giving their advice for increasing the yield, resulting in rise in their motivation.
आज्ञा आगरू टिके बियन टिके अधिका लागुतिला एबे ये दाढ़ी रुआरे मिसा करछु एबे टिके कम आका लागुछि अमल टिके बेसी बडुछि बोलो एबे नाही मूल आगरू बेसी लागुतिला एबे कम लागुछि एबे.
The evaluation of yield is made after cutting the crop in a field and measuring the amount of produce.
आज हमरो जॉइंट क्रॉप कटिंग थिला 5 मीटर आम आज क्रॉप कटिंग कलु से आसला इल्ड आसला 13 केजी 750 ग्राम आउ फास्ट आम मॉनिटरिंग करूछु चाषर जेमती द्विगुण हम आदाय ताहा आम लक्ष्य को चेष्टा करूछु.
Revamping and indigenous seeds is another effort of Pragati. Experimental cultivation of lost black and reddish varieties of paddy seeds in the field is being done and their productivity is increased by wide cultivation.
खोला दाना जानी ना तिलु सर आमे सेरपी मामुन सिखाइबारु दाढ़ी रुआ करी आमे कम खर्चा लागला अलगा दाना करले चार 12 टाका 13 टाका केजी रे बिकुछ एबे खोला दाना करी ओसेरु 90 टाका मिसा चाउल को मिलिंग करी बिक्री एसी.
Similarly, effort is being made to increase the production of ragi by promoting the SMI method of cultivation. The evaluation of the produce is made by Pragati through crop cutting. Procurement meetings are being conducted by Millet Mission of Government of Odisha to increase the yield.
आमर जो मिलेट मिशन कार्यक्रम चली ये प्रगति गोटे बहुत बड़ पार्ट अच्छा से गत 3 वर्ष धरी आम सहित प्रगति काम कर चली प्रगति जो पार्ट कर जो नंदपुर ब्लॉक बहुत भल कार्यक्रम कर गत वर्ष आमर पाखापाखि 500 रु अधिक हेक्टर चाष होता ये ब्लॉक रे मिलेट मिशन माध्यम और यही वर्ष 900 हेक्टर रु अधिक होती पाखापाखि 1900 रु अधिका चाषी अच्छा आम सहित बर्तमान सरकार जो 1 क्विंटाल 20 केजी पर एकर रखी हेक्टर को 3 क्विंटाल रखी से बर्तमान 5 क्विंटाल को बढ़ई पर हेक्टर को तेणु आशा करा बहुत अधिका चाषी मैंने लाभान्वित हे बहुत खाता को पैसा जीव चाषी मान उन्नति हम.
Producer groups were registered as companies to provide remunerative prices to the farmers by selling the produced goods at the best possible prices. As a result, the producer groups could get the opportunity of doing their business directly.
आमे आगरे नेगरे व्यापारी मान को देउथलो एबे सीधा नेगरे हमर प्रोडक्शन ग्रुप रो दुकान रे दोसो हमें 2 पैसा पाउछु.
Facilities have been provided for the farmer to sell his surplus produce in the market after his own consumption. For this purpose, stalls have been constructed at various marketplaces.
आमे चाषी मिसी गोटे प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी डंगर दे करछु चाषी तो आमे भल जिनस आनिकरी बिक्री बटा करछु आमर तो किणी खाइबा लोक ने भल रेट रे तांके भल सस्ता रे पाइलेनी.
आगरे चाषी माने धान चाष करूथिले किंतु तांके चावल करिके बिकु नांती काली धान ही बिकु दउथिले तो आम चाषी टू एबे धान किणीबू तांकू बल टिके उचित मूल्य रे धान किणिके आनिके आम मिल रे प्रोसेसिंग कराइके आम चाउल मार्केटिंग करिबी बोली करे हमर गोटे मिल बसिछि तापर आमर गाँ गाँ रे ग्रुप जाक गठन होइछि से ग्रुप रे तांकी जेंति दल रे चाष करबे दल रे बिक्री करबे एकला एकला चाष करी मार्केट न दल तांकर ऑटो बड़ा गाड़ी खर्च जाक होउथिला कंपनी रो जाई कि तांकर घर टू आमर जिंस जाक आनी कि नै तांकर गाड़ी खर्च भी कम कराइबो और जेन तांके टिके भलो पैसा रोजगार करि पारबे
Including the local inhabitants with various government schemes is another step taken by Pragati. This makes the inhabitants of rural area aware of various programs of the government.
आमे आगु जाई लोक मानक बुझाउथुलु लोक माने सेते सचेतन नथिले कि काम रे भी सहयोग कर नथिले एबे प्रगति गाँ लोकन को बुझा सुझा करी ने आम पाखकू काम पाई बोली आवेदन करछन्ती सरकारी कार्यक्रम ठीक भाव में सुचारू रूप से अग्रगति हो पार आगु जो सरकार कर्मचारी मान जो भय थिला भय भी लोक मान बहुत कमीगला आ लोक मैंने भी निजे आसी निज काम पाई आवेदन पंचायत रे ये करछन्ती
Various fairs and exhibitions are being organized to broaden their sphere of knowledge. Efforts are also made to facilitate them to attend fairs and exhibitions held at various places.
जो चाषी माने आमर रही से आम विभिन्न समय विभिन्न जो मेला होची जेमती कि सीड फेयर होची किंबा सरकार भी जेतबेले किछि कृषक समावेश होची से सब जगार भाग नेवाई सुजोग सृष्टि कराइथिला जहाद्वारा कि चाषी माने गोटे जगार आसिकी तांकर जो विभिन्न बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस रही विभिन्न सफल कहानी रही परस्पर मध्य आदान प्रदान करने सहित तांकर समस्या गुड़ाक विभिन्न स्तर में उपस्थापन करने गोटे सुजोग सृष्टि हो पारिछि।
Awards and certificates are given to farmers every year by the government and Pragati as well, conducting functions.
आमर भी गोटे व्यवस्था अच्छी जे चाषी मानक सम्मानित करवा ये सम्मानित करने द्वारा कौन हुए चाषी मान भितर गोटे कंपटीशन माने तैयारी हुए जद्वारा कि किए अधिका अमल करें ये जो जैविक उपाय आमर जो ज्ञान कौशल सब देइथिलु ताकू प्रयोग करी केमिति अधिका अमल पाइपर से जो मैंने अधिका अमल पाई था से आम विभिन्न जो जिला स्तरीय कार्यक्रम सब हुए सेठारे सम्मानित करूँ आ से गोटे गोटे मानपत्र भी दऊ आ सहित किसी यूटेंशियल हो ना किसी टंका आकार हो आम दऊ।
The effect of COVID-19 was observed during the program. So various steps were taken by Pragati to sensitize the local inhabitants.
COVID-19 जो पेंडेमिक जो आसिला आ द्वारा बहुत प्रॉब्लम होइतिला लॉकडाउन हो गला शटडाउन कले सेतेबेले चाषी मानकू कौनसी प्रकार बाहर जीवा पय आ सुजोग मिलिला नाही गवर्नमेंट तरफ रु बैन कर देले प्रगति तरफ रु आमे एठी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन संगे कथा करिकी से माने किमती तार प्रोडक्ट बिकी पारिबे आमे सेटा को आगे गोटे मुख्यतः ये करथिलु। द्वितीय कथा होची आ पय लोक सचेतन नथिले आमे सचेतन अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करथिलु मास्क आ सैनिटाइज बांटिथिलु ता संगे आमे फूड ग्रेन सब देइथिलु या पय भी ये जो फंड सब रेज करिवारे भी हमकू इडिल गिफ्ट बहुत सहायता करथिले।
The success of this program has brought considerable change in the life and livelihood of people in this region, and its positive impact is being observed among the farmers.
आग्रे सर आम तो काली बुना बुणिया करूँ एते धान अमल नाला आमर जो आम गाँव जड़े आज्ञा अच्छा प्रगति काम करते आसिक आमको जो श्री पद्धति प्रणाली रे चाष करवार शिखाइले श्री प्रणाली पद्धति धान चाष करी टे अधिक अमल कर पार्छु आउ घर परिवार टे खावा भल मिलूँ आम समस्ते चली सारा बाद किछिटा बढ़ले किछि बिक्री कर पार्छु।
आमर ये जो कार्यक्रम भितर आम जो सपोर्टिंग एजेंसी जो इडिल गिफ्ट फाउंडेशन रो विभिन्न जो प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर से मानकर भी विजिट करती से माने रिव्यू करती स्टाफ मान संगे ता संगे आमर जो कार्यक्रम सब करिचु फील्ड विजिट करती फार्मर्स संगे इंटरेक्ट करती आ जो महिला संगठन सब अच्छी संगठन मान संगे डिस्कशन करती जो प्रोग्राम को इवैल्यूएट करबा पई।
In fact, such initiatives of Pragati present as sources of inspiration for others to follow. If such initiatives are undertaken in greater way, many poor and landless farmers would reap benefits. Besides, people living in rural areas would get nutritious foods and strengthen their food security.